to show you how I cut my black soap instant glow bar. And I use this really simple technique. I use a plastic container. I just laid out with a plastic bag, and I poured my soap in it, and it came out perfect. So all I do is, like, first I cut my soap into big chunks, and then I cut it into the bars that I want. So this soap is really good. It's a herbal soap. It contains a lot of herbs. It contains fruits, contains vegetables, contains butters and organic oils. This soap can be used both for the face, for the body, and for the hair. It can really polish your skin, and this soap helps with acne, eczema, blackheads, whiteheads, pimples, acne, hyperpigmentation, and it really does fight all the blemishes and rough skin. This soap. So I go ahead and just cut my labels, and after that I just put them on my soap. So I'll do a video on how I actually make this soap. It's really fun for me. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel,